In this lecture, you learn how to enter a procedure. First of all, we're going to go over to the Developer tab, click on Visual Basic. In this window, this is called the code window. Let's say you don't see this window open. I'm going to close it here. I'm going to need to go over to the View tab, click on the code over here, or press F7 to bring up this window. Inside this window, you can enter a procedure by click on the Insert Procedure. But before I click on the procedure over here, I'm going to show you that if you don't click inside this window, you cannot enter a procedure. For example, if I click over here in this immediate window, I go to Insert, Procedure is grayed out. Same way, if I go over to Module 1, Insert is grayed out. So I'm going to go over here, Insert, Procedure. Here, there are a couple naming rules that you need to know. First of all, it cannot start with a number. For example, I type with 1, procedure. It's invalid. If I enter my procedure, it doesn't work either. The reason is there is a space. So two name rules to know. Cannot start with a number and cannot have spaces. I'm going to rename this to my first procedure. There are three types of procedure: sub, function, and property. In this lesson, we look into the sub. I'm gonna click on that, but before doing that, over here the scope is public, meaning that it's available for use in other module. Beside the module 1 over here, I'm going over, click OK. It's open. Here, the name is my first procedure. You all see that name appear over here. Let's say if I change the name to first procedure, I'm going to press enter here. It changed to first procedure. Give it a try. I see you in the next lecture.